Fix blurry fonts issues in Windows 11. First open Start and type sysdm.cpl. Open Advanced tab. Click on Setting. Select Adjust for best performance. Press Apply and then OK. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Clear Type Text. Open it. Click on Next. Select text which was clear to you. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Registry Editor. Expand H-key current user. Expand Control Panel. Click on Desktop. Right-click on this and click on Modify. Change the value to 1 and press OK. Now right-click and click on New. Click on 32-bit. Right-click and click on Modify. Change the value to 78. Now restart your computer and your problem should be fixed.